Jai Gurudev children, did you all play the quiz? Did you enjoy it? Yes? Very good. Then we shall be having more such quiz in our classes. Okay. Today we'll meet Rishi and Rinki. They're waiting to share something new with us. Okay?
Rinki saw that in her room all the toys were scattered all over the floor. After playing, they'd forgotten to keep it in a place. So she thought of putting the toys back into a box. So she started to put the toys into the box. How many toys did she put into the box, children? Did you count? Yeah, you're right. She put 6 toys. But now she is not able to close the box. She put all the toys in the box and now it is so full. So let's help her, children. What should she do now? You're right. Very good. She has to take out few toys, isn't it? She has to remove few toys from the box so that she can close the box. Very good. Your idea worked out. Very good. Children, remember and tell me, how many toys did Rinki put into the box? Correct, 6 toys. How many did she remove from the box? Yes, 2 toys. So now, how many toys will be there in the box? There were 6. She removed 2. So how many will be there? You're correct. There are 4 toys in the box. Rishi had gone out with his father for a walk. While coming back home, he saw a balloon seller uncle selling balloons. So, he bought one balloon for Rinki as she loved to play with balloons. Children, count and tell me how many balloons were there with the balloon seller uncle. Yes, he is having 5 balloons. How many balloons did Rishi buy? Yes, he bought 1 balloon. Now, can you tell me how many balloons are left with the balloon seller uncle there? Correct. He is having 4 balloons. Rishi and Rinki's mother had prepared laddus as it was Janmashtami festival. So, she gives Rinki the sweets to taste. How many laddus were in the box, children? Correct, 4. How many laddus did Rinki take? Yes, she took 2. So now how many are there in the box? You're right, there are 2 laddus left in the box.
Children, in all the examples which we saw, what did you observe? There was one thing in common. Did you observe? Yes, in all the examples which we saw, we observed that the number of things became less. Did you observe that? Very good. So now tell me, when we take away one number from another number, what do we call it as? I know you know it. Come on, tell me. Very good. We call it as subtraction. When you take away one number from another number, we call it as subtraction. So what is the symbol for subtraction then? It is a sleeping line. The sleeping line is the symbol for subtraction. Did you understand, children?
Children, from today's class, we will be using both Bal Ganit book and your composite book as your textbook. I hope you all have taken the book from the school. Till now, for all the lessons which we have completed, we could not do the exercises as the books was issued a little late, right? I will tell you all when to do those exercises. Okay? We shall start using this book from subtraction lesson. Okay? Now open your Balganit book and turn to page number 67. Write today's date. Let's start with the exercises. The first question is already done. We'll go to the second one. You have to count the number of birds that are sitting on the tree. How many are there? We'll write 8 in the box given there. Now, dash birds flew away. Few birds went away. So count how many are there and write the number there. It is 5. Correct. Now, dash birds are left. 8 birds were there. 5 birds flew away. How many birds are left, children? You can even strike or put a small dash on 5 birds. Okay. So now count how many are left. Yes, 3 birds are left. Write 3 in the box. Now we will write the sentence in the big box given there. So first there were 8. So write 8. Then put the subtraction symbol. Then 5 birds flew away. So 5, that is equal to 3. Then in the blank space given there, you will write 8 take away 5 is 3. We'll go to the next one. You have dash apples. Count how many apples are there. Correct. Write 6. You eat dash apples. So the picture shows few apples that we ate. Count and write. Correct. We'll write 4. So 6 apples we had. We ate 4. So how many will be left? Strike out 4 apples and find out. Correct. You will write 2 apples are left. So below that we'll write 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And in the blank space you will write 6 take away 4 is 2. Now we'll go to the last example in this page. You have dash pens. How many pens are there? Correct. Write 5. You use dash pens. So you have used how many pens? 2. Now you have dash. So let's strike 2 pens and find out how many are left out. Correct. 3. So write 3. Now in the rectangle box we'll write 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And in the blank you'll write 5 take away 2 is 3.
Children, today I'll give you a fun activity as homework. For this you will need one bowl and 9 rajma seeds or any seeds. Okay, first thing, you will put all the seeds into the bowl. Then ask any of your family member to give you one number which is below 9. Okay, then for example if it is 4, then you have to take away or remove 4 seeds from the bowl and keep it aside, and then count how many seeds are remaining in the bowl. Done? Very good. Practice subtraction like this, children. Keep practicing whatever we learned today, children. That is subtraction. Okay. I forgot to ask you, did you watch the Janmashtami video which was sent to you? You liked it? Okay. Let's meet in our next class. Jai Gurudev.